What do you got?
Nothing.
You got no? What? Really? No.
I've got stuff.
All right.
I've got
It's your turn.
my Rubik's well bag. I've actually got a couple.
I reckon I set the top camera up too low.
I reckon you did too. Because
Let me do some adjustment.
there's not a whole lot. You can't do adjusting now, mate. We're mid-show.
Yes, I can. Oh, watch.
You can't.
Watch me.
You've upset me.
That's better, isn't it?
Now, I briefly threw these on the show last week, these tyres.
What are they?
These are the new sweeps. Now, I really wanted to focus on just how good these bloody sweeps are.
So PGSs and PGMXs.
PGS is the world's tyres.
Right.
We had 20, there's like 2 left. These are the tyres that are going on the IFMA Worlds this year.
Okay.
So if you're going to the Worlds, I want to know what it's like to get some of these on there. If you just want to go as fast as possible in Australian conditions, these are the beloved D-R3 PGMX. And these are the tyres that we've had before. And these are the fastest tyres that we've had ever.
Right.
So these are really good. And these are based off the Asian conditions. So we initially changed the insert to suit Australian conditions better. So these will give a little bit longer lasting and extremely high performance.
Right.
So these are back in. So these are really good. I just want to talk about them because hundreds have been going out the door. The next thing that came in last week was Axon.
Axon, Ax off.
Axon, Ax off. And we had some bespoke touring car parts as well. They probably all got picked up, did they?
Yes.
Yes?
Oh, I think there's still a few here, if you want to show them off.
Well, I didn't grab them anyway. I didn't think that they'd be here. But yeah, so Axon pinion gears. Now, we've always had the Spur gears because the Spur gears are just the best. That's it. There's no two ways about it. These are Axon. These are the best Spur gears going. But to match that, we got the pinion gears back. And these are really nice. And they're actually not... I thought that these were going to be horrendously expensive, but they're really not. So they are like maybe like $2 dearer than an Aeromax or something, but worth every penny.
These have got a special coating on them because they look fluorine coated, which is
they'll be fluorine or nitride sort of coated. It's definitely beyond anodizing.
Yes.
So that will do 2 things: A, be very low friction and resistance on the toothface, and B, to be hard wearing. So they can make the gears really, really light. Now, the Aeromax ones are light, but they're not light like this. I'm tipping that these are...
But you can barely feel them. We're probably like feeling the packaging.
Yeah,
anything.
We should have got the scales out, actually, and weighed some up. I reckon that these would probably weigh the same as, or very close to, the super lights, the plastic ones.
Because there is a lot of material taken out of that.
There's a lot of material taken out. So we got these primarily in 64 pitch, because these are aimed at high-performance touring car, on-road, 12th scale, that sort of thing. So I didn't get them in 48 because you need them probably more rugged and the heavier-duty Aeromax.
Laser rich there as well.
Yeah, really nice. So if you're in the market for pinions and spurs, we've got a big race coming up. Check out the Axon range.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
What else have we got, Beach? In RC.
What else have you got in RC? Have you got something else hidden here?
Yeah. I got another bag.
Oh.
And I actually wanted to get some photos and some stuff because there's some products been announced this week that I know that you know, and I know that most people that know, but maybe everybody doesn't know.
What do you know?
The Phaser RX3.
Oh,
that's beautiful.
Yes.
The Optima Pro.
Yes.
The 240Z Rally, and that's just from Kyosho.
Optima Pro is pretty cool,
isn't it?
It's got the under tray. So it was a rail chassis which used to pick up absolutely everything, and then they had an under tray on it. Yeah,
and then we've got the MS 1.0, the YOKOMO.
Yes, the new touring car.
Parts listing is available. So that means that it is close. Team drivers are receiving theirs. I know some of the Asian drivers received theirs like yesterday. The Australians, so John Pugh, Simon Nicholson, Anthony Carey will probably get theirs today. So the team drivers for YOKOMO always get theirs first.
Yes.
So they can do final assembly and panic in case anything's wrong before they pack them all in a box and send them to the minions. So I'm looking forward to the MS 1.0.
What do you got here?
Here I have...
Oh.
Do you know what these are?
These are retro bits.
These are a load of spares that I had for 870. And I took these to Knox with me to go racing.
And you didn't use any of them?
That's right. That was my point. None of them.
Right.
Not a single part.
You took all the bits that you thought would normally break nothing broke.
Like a belt, rear belt, steering knuckles, kingpins, right? wing wire, I thought I'm going to like munt that for sure.
That's pretty heavy duty, isn't it?
You know, I even took spare tires in case, I don't know, like I wore one or damaged one or whatever.
How did the wing cope?
Not a sausage.
Was the wing okay?
Wing was perfect. I put the heavy duty one on
Yeah,
there. Remember?
yeah. The good luck wing.
Yeah, absolutely unscathed.
Right.
Absolutely. Drive shafts, I thought I'm going to munt a drive shaft. No. I gave the car a complete rebuild with absolutely 0 parts added. That's fantastic.
Oh, so the front and rear drive shafts are the same?
Yep.
I've got a feeling that the original one, they were different.
Front and rear drive shafts are the same.
With different lengths.
Front and rear arms are the same.
Yep.
Hubs, steering knuckles.
Yes, the same.
It's bloody beautiful. It's a beautiful thing.
Yeah, nice.
And there should be more people out on track playing with them. I was the only one now. I thought, oh, there's going to be like 3 others. It's going to be like a dogfighter cup. No. They're going, oh, you can't drive that. You're not going to finish a race. I said, watch me.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, there you go. You showed them, didn't you?
And it had a tough day.
I did.
It did have a tough day. Because